So how knowledgeable are you? Here's an essential task of testing yourself. We have a couple tools, let's go through them, to test yourself. The Online Inspector Exam. Online Inspector Exam, this is our National Home Inspector Exam. Click the link, and you can take the exam now. There's English and French and Spanish is coming out. 120 questions in 60 minutes, and at the end of the exam, it will identify your strengths and weaknesses. And if you're weak in a particular area, it'll give you the appropriate free online course to strengthen your knowledge in that area. So you just click the login and you start the Online Inspector Exam. And it says you're about to begin. Do you want to begin the exam? And here is your exam data. You can watch your time, number of questions, and you got to hit that passing score. And you begin the exam. Oh no, I won't go through it. Okay, so that's one resource. Here's the other resource, the practice test. You click that link. We call it the Ultimate Home Inspection Practice Test. And you click here to begin. And it has currently a little over 2,000 practice questions. And you can just go through them. So for example, a 4 and 12 slope can be expressed as the ratio of 7, 12, that one, ratio. That's a fraction, that's a ratio. You can check your answer. Let's see if I got it right. Correct answer. Let's see. Common failure modes of asphalt shingles include all the following except spalling, loss of granules, cupping, crawling, cracking, blisters. Loss of granules, spalling? Maybe spalling, I don't know. Check my answer. That's a correct answer. Okay, so that's one way to practice. The inspector training app. Click the link and open it. So here's an iOS. It's for my iPhone. And let me share what it looks like on my phone. So on my phone, I downloaded the app and here it is here. And this is a lot of fun. So the question is true, false. Plumbing alterations should be reported because they may involve the use of improper materials and poor technique. I'm going to hit true. Oh, I'm going to hit false. I don't know what I did. Next question. Darn it, I missed that one. A water hammer can be corrected by changing supply pipes, decreasing the water pressure, refastening loose pipes and installing air chambers or shock absorbers, installing shock. I think you need to refasten. I got that right. Okay, next question. An anchoring ring that is secured to the floor is a wax ring device, a toilet ring, a water closet flange, a lav bolt. I'm gonna go water closet flange. That's correct. Next question. That is a lot of fun. So download the app if you have an iPhone. Okay, so let's go back. Here are the other resources to test yourself. Inspection Defect Flashcards. Let's open that up. This is also kind of fun. And this online tool allows you to observe common defects, practice identifying and describing them, and learn how to properly write the observation in your report. So when you look at a virtual flashcard, you will see a photo of an issue or a defect, be asked what you're seeing, what do you see, what's your call, and provide a multiple choice of potential answers. So let's just go down, let's go to interior. Okay, so what am I looking at? Currently, I'm looking at somebody tapping. So what's your call? What is your call? What is the major defect at this interior floor area? Well, I think this is one way a home inspector can find a loose tile. It sounds hollow, it sounds different. So, cracked tile with hollow sound. The home inspector was knocking on the tiles of the kitchen floor. A hollow sound was observed, which indicated a separation between the tiles and the floor structure. The tiles were loose. The tile in the inspection image is cracked. And so that's a defect. That's kind of cool. How about if we go to HVAC, since we were talking about HVAC, right? What's your call here? What is the defect at the inspection image of the B vent pipe of the gas-fired furnace? Well, I think the collar is a defect. It's upside down. So let's click the link. Storm collar at B vent is upside down. The storm collar at the B vent of the gas-fired furnace is upside down. This is a defect. It was an inspection image taken at the International House of Horrors in Boulder, Colorado. Let's do one more. Why not? Air conditioning. What's your call? What is the most likely cause of damage to the fins of the AC unit? Lawn mowing activities, hail, dog urine, factory damage. I don't know. Maybe hail? I don't know. Let's see what the damage is. Correct answer, hail. Damage to AC fins reflects fairly accurately the size of hailstones that did the damage, as long as the hailstone has sufficient density. And this sample narrative came from the International Narrative Library. Moderate hail damage. The air conditioner compressor unit had a moderate fin damage visible at that appeared to be hail damage. This condition should not have a significant effect on its ability to function as designed. So you get the practice of identifying a defect and writing a narrative on that observation. And that is a cool way to keep yourself tested, see where your level of knowledge is as a home inspector. And it's all free online, fun stuff. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to test yourself.